Welcome to the NCRP Portfolio Capstone course. I'm Robert Whipple and recording this lecture on January 2nd, 2013 from Hooper Bay, Alaska. I want to commend you on your long journey through many courses to get this far. Throughout this process, you have become experts in the theories. To give you a bit of history about the NCRP Capstone course, our program initially started as a master's degree in behavioral science with an emphasis in negotiation and conflict management in 1989. When I entered the program in 1993, it had two full-time professors, Dr. David Churchman and Dr. David Nassiter. The program focused more on behavioral science research methods and less on negotiation and conflict management. Our capstone project This shall be a standalone, culminating experience, which includes first an extensive written review of the highlights learned throughout your coursework in the program. You should include one course review for each of the required courses, plus one review of an elective class representing your particular interest in the field. Each course review should be a minimum of 2 pages, and the whole program review, which is all of the course reviews, should range from 14 pages to a maximum of 21 pages. Second, an extensive written presentation of a detailed question addressing an important issue in the field arising from your studies in the program. This detailed question should be the question itself, and you should define all the key terms and keywords and describe all the variables that you will be searching for in your literature review. During this course, you will become familiar with the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes focus on problem-solving skills, applications of NCRP, negotiation and mediation skills, critical analysis of the literature, and analysis of specific conflicts. These learning outcomes have been integrated throughout your coursework. These learning outcomes are also covered in the Handbook of Conflict Resolution. You should demonstrate mastery of these learning outcomes by integrating concepts into your satisfactory solution and be able to discuss them during your oral defense. You will need to have the publication manual of the American Psychological Association easily accessible. I will often cite page numbers and sections when giving you feedback. The Handbook of Conflict Resolution is available through the eBrary on the CSUDH Library website. I have assigned weekly readings and expect to see you cite the handbook in your literature review and satisfactory solution. I will be asking several questions from this text during your oral defense.
You should read the articles available in the Course Materials tab on Blackboard. The articles will give you an overview of the portfolio method, the purpose for completing a portfolio, a comparison between a portfolio and a thesis or dissertation, evaluation criteria, and the impact of portfolios on student learning. This course also uses a portfolio guide that provides grading rubrics and many details about how to complete a successful portfolio.
All of the due dates from January 18th, 2013 until March 29th, 2013 are for you to submit the sections for instructor feedback. This is to let you know you are on the correct track and what you need to improve on. I will mostly look at the content and organization of your portfolio. Do not submit first drafts of material that need line-by-line editing. I will reject any submission that does not have sound grammar, usage, and mechanics of standard American English. The final portfolio must be submitted before March 15th, 2013 at midnight. Let me know if you cannot meet this final deadline through email. The majority of the course time will be spent actively participating in the peer editing, review, and feedback process. I will be providing few lectures. The instructions are in the portfolio guide. I have previously recorded the guide as lectures, and students have let me know they would rather just read it for themselves. I have provided a portfolio guide containing the rubrics for each section of the portfolio and a checklist of what. Once again, welcome to NCR 591, and I look forward to reading your introduction on the discussion board and watching the evolution of your portfolio.